Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are celebrating an amazing journey coming to an end and a brand new chapter beginning. Let's check out 20 unique retirement cake design for your farewell celebration. The next first one is Happy Retirement Message Cake. Classic white and pastel cake with the words Happy Retirement and elegant piping or gold trim. The next is Suitcase Travel Cake, perfect for travel lovers. A cake shaped like vintage suitcase, ready for adventure. The next is Clock Themed Cake, a round clock cake with a tiny clock design marking the end of work day forever. The next is No More Mondays Cake, a funny cake with pajamas and slippers and sign of say that and goodbye Monday's blues. The next is hobby based cake, fishing, gardening, and reading or golf design cake around the retiree favorite hobby. The next is cupcake tower, elegant cupcake display with retirement like tags, clocks, and cheese. Cheers to you, toppers. The next is personalized chocolate cake, custom fondant figure to retiree with props that represent that their profession. The next is champagne celebration cake, classic black and gold or white cake with sugar bottles, glasses, and popping cake. The next is lazy day cake, a cake showing a crouch, a remote or retirement mode on tag, perfect for humor. The next is officer desk cake, a foreign replica of the retiree's workspace with minimalist laptop files or coffee mug and farewell note. The next is legend hats or retired cake, bold black or navy blue cake with gold writing, powerful farewell message for a respect figure. The next is slow down cake, toppers or slow design with a cheeky message like trim to take it slow. The next is bucket list cake, decorated with icons and audible stickers from retirees, travel, or active bucket list. The next is garden themed cake, a lover spring themed cake with edible flowers and gardening tools and soil texture. The next is artistic retirement cake, great for creative souls. The next is book lovers cake, open book cake with design with sweetest farewell message printed on the top of the cake. The next is sunset retirement cake, beautiful ombre cake in sunset colors with silhouette of the sun of someone walking toward the horizon. The next is teach and theme, IT themed cake, ideal for teach retirees. The next is beach themed cake, retirement paradise. The next is trophy cake, shaped like a golden trophy with one retirement you did it written it edible gold. Retirement is not the end, it is the start of freedom. Let us know which cake was your favorite in the comment below. Like this video and share this video to your newly retired officers or soldiers or friends. And subscribe to Cakes Factory where we bring sweet ideas to every milestone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.